NG has given a gap up opening today while achieving the highs above 119. The crude is again trying to drop or retrace a little. Now, what is going to happen today? Which position we should take in oil and natural gas? We'll try to see with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. First, we'll look into US crude, followed with natural gas. So, do watch till the end. Do listen to it carefully. I'll give you the trading levels, the exits, the take profits as well. Do listen to it carefully and do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon so that you can also remain updated with the latest analysis on gold, silver, oil, natural gas, Dow Jones, Nasdaq, FTSE 100 Germany or Nifty 50. So you can watch those also. Let's start the day with US crude first. US crude right now trading 117.8 level. See, this is a reversal. After that we have seen this red candle. Also it is trying to give you higher lows. So I'll be watchful of this. I'll be watchful of 100. See, this zone at 117.5 is stronger because see here it is consolidated before. Now it has again come back to those levels. So if it breaks 117.5, there is a possibility that it may continue to slide till towards 116.2, 116.4 zone, and if it breaks that, we can see a sharper drop again till towards 114.5, 115 zone. So I'll be watchful of this. The directional movement is trying to converge and cross over for a bearish move. The stochastic is looking downwards and the MACD is trying to converge. It was bullish here, it is trying to converge and cross over for a sell move. The RSI was also overbought, now looking downwards smoothly. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts too, here is the reversal. The high has seen that the reversal candle, 3 red candles back to back, and now this zone between 117 and 117.5 is crucial. Probably if it breaks below this, we can see it going till towards 116.2, and below that we may see a sharper drop till towards 114.5. Directional movement is trying to converge. The stochastic is also dropping. It was overbought. The MACD is trying to converge, and the RSI is also looking downwards, indicating little bearishness here right now. And similarly on the 3-hour chart, this is the second red candle. I'll be watchful of the third. If the third appears, then possibly we may see a greater sharper drop in crude oil today. It may try to come back till these levels, 115 and 114.5 levels. Till the time it trades above this, we may see it again continue to resume the bull run. See, it is trying to trade in this channel, rise, then 3 red candles, rise and 3 red candles. Probably it is trying to trade in this fashion only. Once it breaks below 114, we may see a sharper drop. There is a liquidity gap which it needs to cover till towards 110 levels. So this is what we can see on the 3-hour chart. The directional movement is bullish, trying to converge. The MACD, the stochastic is looking downwards. It is overbought. The MACD is trying to converge again on the sell side. RSI is also looking downwards. Similarly, if you look at the 4-hour charts, in the 4-hour chart, this is the second red candle. And yes, there is a larger support at 117, 117.5 zone. Breaking this, it is going to come back till towards 116.2, 116 levels, and below that it will be getting support at 114 and 115 zone. And if it breaks past this, if it breaks past 114 any point of time today or this week, we may see a larger drop till towards 112, 110 levels. There is a liquidity gap, as I said, till 110 levels. There is a possibility for it to retrace till there. If it breaks below 114, then and then only. Directional movement is trying to converge and cross over for a sell. Our stochastic is overbought, and that is why we can see it dropping. The MACD is trying to converge. The RSI is looking downwards too. Similarly, if you look at the daily charts, on the daily charts there is a support from the 20 period moving average which will come into picture at around 112, 113 zone. And yes, if you look at the bottom of this channel is at around 115, 116 levels. So also look at this, what it did today is achieved a higher high, indicated that there is little bullishness here because it has achieved the high before it look forward to any drop. Probably it may get a support at around 115, 116 zone, and then a bounce back for the rest of the week, and we can again expect it to resume the rally. Right now it is trading in this channel, and the bottom of this channel is at around 112 levels. There is a possibility that it may try to drop more. Now look at the weekly charts. We will come back to the indicators here and look at the weekly chart. The previous candles had stronger tails there and the sharper green and flat body. Now again it may try to create a tail here before it looks forward to. However, if it breaks past this zone at 112 and 110, if it breaks past this week below 112, 110, one can expect that there is a sharper drop awaited which is going to take it towards 105 and $100 levels before it looks forward to any further rise there. Now if you look at, now coming back to the indicators on the daily charts here, see directional movement is still bullish here. The stochastic is again trying to enter into overbought levels. Right now it is on the verge of breaking to overbought levels. The MACD is still bullish here. It is wide divergent and it is giving a bullish indication. RSI is sloping downwards today's after today's red candle. Considering this, I will only recommend you to remain short till the time it is below 119. One can remain short. The target is going to be 117.5, 117. This level is already there. It is trading in this zone, and after this, if it breaks 117, we will be looking forward to 116.2 first support, then 114.5 next support. Below that, 114 is the nearest, and after that we will be looking to 112 and 110. There are stronger supports at 114, 14.5 zone, which we have to be watchful, and below that 112 is the next strongest support. So be watchful of that. If it continues to trade above 112, sustains those levels, we have to remain long for the rest of the week, and it will continue to rise. And any point of time, if you see it trading above 119, one can go long for higher highs. One can expect that it is going to hit 121, 123 and beyond levels. As I shared and explained in my weekly analysis, 128, that is, it will try to form the double top on the near term before it looks forward to any further drop. So take your positions accordingly. Do always trade with the stop loss and a trailing stop loss specifically. Now let's have a look at NG. See, NG is also trying to give you a reversal. Only long entries above 8.85. Once it trades above 8.85, then only I will recommend you to go long. And also look at this, NG has got a stronger gap, and this gap is still 8.5 level. It is a strong gap to fill. It may try to attempt to fill this gap. So one can remain short till the time it is below 8.85. The directional movement is bullish. It is trying to converge. The stochastic is overbought. It may try to take a dip. MACD is wide divergent and bullish. The RSI is near to top 2. Similarly, on the 2-hour chart, the previous candle, the body size is almost half the candle, and that is why we are looking forward to a drop, and it is trying to reverse from here. I will be looking forward to the next target at 8.7. Once it breaks past this, it can continue to drop till towards 8.6 level, which is a stronger support, and then 8.55 levels. So with the stop loss at 8.85, one can remain short on NG today. The directional movement is bullish. It may try to converge. The stochastic is overbought. The MACD is wide divergent and it is still bullish. It may try to converge a bit. RSI is also near to top there. Similarly, on the 3-hour charts, if you look at on the 3-hour charts, it is still trading in a bullish zone. It is getting the support at 8.8 levels. However, see, it is trying to trade in this channel, and possibly, I think once it breaks past 8.85, yes, there could be bullishness there. However, once it breaks below 8.8, we can see a sharper drop there. On the downside, there is a large gap to cover up till towards 8.5 levels. First target below 8.8 is 8.7, and then it can try to drop till towards 8.6. It's stronger support here, and then 8.55 the next support. Below that, we may see a sharper drop. Strongly bullish here on the directional movement, overbought on the stochastic. MACD has crossed over just, and it is wide divergent. It is still bullish. The RSI is trading flat. Similarly, if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts, the candle is green, and yes, there is a lot much to cover on the downside. It is getting the resistance on the upside from 8.85, getting the support at 8.8 on the downside. So yes, anyways, one can remain short below 8.85. Rather, I will recommend now to go short below 8.8 only, or rather keep a $0.2 cushion at around 8.78, and yes, you can go short there. The target is 8.7, 8.6 and 8.55. If it drops below this, we can see a larger drop till towards 8.5 and 8.4 levels. So yes, one can go short at 8.78. That is the summary right now. It appears the directional movement is bullish. The stochastic is overbought. The MACD is wide divergent bullish, and the RSI is trading flat. And if you look at the daily charts, on the daily charts, there is a lot much to cover on the downside. It is just given a gap down there, and there is a gap to be filled. So largely this gap, if you see on the daily candles at 8.68, yes, the gap will be filled. Probably it may try to achieve this. It may try to attempt this, and then it will take a downtrend. It will try to drop sharply on the downside. See, the previous candle has given lower lows and lower highs, and right now it is trying to break out. So once it again falls back into this zone below 8.7 and 8.6 level, we may see NG dropping sharply today. Take your positions accordingly. Only long entries above 8.85. beyond which 8.9 is the first target, and if it breaks past 8.992 zone, we can expect it to hit $9 level again, and beyond that it will rise strongly. So take a short at 7.8, take a long at 8.85, rather I'll say 8.87. Beyond that one can see 9.2, 9.02 and 9.2. On the downside, if it breaks below 8.78, one can expect 8.7, 8.6, 8.5 levels. So take your positions accordingly. And yes, do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon and stay tuned with the latest update. Look, the directional movement is bullish here. The stochastic is trading flat comfortably. The MACD is trying to converge and cross over for a bullish move. So a possibility exists that yes, it can fill the gap till towards 8.7. It can attempt to achieve 8.7 and then reverse from there again till towards 8.9, 9.2 levels, 9.02 and 9.2 levels. So there is a possibility exists that it may try to fill the gap and can reverse. So be watchful of the levels at 8.7 and 8.6, somewhere there it may achieve before it looks forward to any further reversal. So take your positions accordingly. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon and stay tuned with the latest updates. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.